Hi there. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to make butter coffee. Butter coffee is a rich combination of coffee, coconut oil or MCT oil and grass-fed butter. It helps to maintain energy levels that can be sustained for many hours. The good news is, they do not lead to the distinctive coffee crash experienced when you drink other types of coffee. Butter coffee is typically high in fat but low in carbs and is otherwise known as a ketogenic drink. It contains calories between 150 to 300 kilojoules per serving. This depends on the amount of fat added to the coffee drink. If you are on intermittent fasting, this drink will be of great help to you. This is because your fast can be extended for about 10 hours more without raising the sugar level of your blood. If you missed our previous video on butter coffee, please check the description below this video for the link. What you'll need: 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons unsalted grass-fed butter, 1 tablespoon coconut oil or MCT oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract optional, 1 tablespoon whipping cream optional, 1 tablespoon maple syrup optional. High-speed or immersion blender. Follow these steps to make your butter coffee. 1. Brew your favorite coffee. The best coffee for this recipe is any pour-over coffee like AeroPress coffee. They make a concentrated and rich flavored coffee. 2. Pour your brewed coffee into your blender. Then add 2 tablespoons of unsalted grass-fed butter. 3. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or MCT oil to the ingredients in the blender. 4. Now turn on your blender and blend all ingredients together for about 30 seconds or until they are properly mixed to give a frothy cap on the top of the drink. 5. Pour into a coffee mug and enjoy. Here are some brewing tips. If you can't drink a sugar-free coffee, you can add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, whipping cream or vanilla extract to add extra flavor and taste to your coffee. Blend these extra ingredients together with the other main ingredients. You can spice up your coffee by adding unsweetened cocoa powder. This will give you a butter mocha. When blending your ingredients, make sure you shake your blender sideways, upwards, and downwards. This will completely emulsify all the fatty ingredients into your coffee. Also, this aerates the coffee mixture and add more froth. Take note of the following. Be careful when you are blending these ingredients to prevent it from leaking out from the blender. As a precaution, do not overfill your blender. You can also cover the top of the blender with a towel just in case the liquid mixture leaks out while you are blending. Here are some common brewing mistakes to avoid when making your butter coffee. 1. Adding excess coconut oil. Too much coconut oil in butter coffee can result in stomach upset in some people. This is particularly evident in people whose body is not used to taking in too much fat. To avoid this, make sure you only add a little quantity of coconut oil to your coffee. You can begin with 1 or 2 tablespoons and then adjust it as you get accustomed to it. 2. Using low-grade butter. It is very important that you use quality unsalted grass-fed butter for your butter coffee drink. An example is the Kerrygold butter. 3. Blend not shake. An important step in brewing butter coffee is the blending process. This should last for about 30 seconds. Blending emulsifies fats with your coffee, which is water-based. It prevents fats from differentiating on top of the coffee drink. Do not attempt to shake the ingredients rather than blending, you will ruin your coffee drink. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Also, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimcoffee.com for more coffee content like this.